not.
No. Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I'm not taking a picture.
I saw you taking a picture.
I'm not taking a picture.
You're taking a video, aren't you? Ow! This makes me Daddy's face! Daddy, are you taking a video?
Yes. I want you to tell me all about what you want.
I just want a parrot
You want a parrot.
today.
What are you?
Daddy,
What are you gonna do with the parrot?
Important. I'll feed him. Dad, I want to tell you that's important to me.
What's important to you, Lily?
Daddy! No!
Gali, tell me what you're gonna do with the parrot.
Feed him, and if we buy food and a bed for him today. I want to tell you something. Daddy, I want to tell you something.
Sissy's talking right now, okay? Let's let her talk first. Gali, go ahead.
I want to buy, something in my hand, sausage, like spicy chips.
Spicy. You want to buy spicy chips?
No.
Gali wants a parrot, and you want spicy chips.
No.
Gali, tell me about your heart and the parrot.
I'll train the parrot.
You'll train it. Train it to do what?
Train him to fly. And then train him to come when I whistle.
Oh yeah, like what? Do you have a special whistle that you'll use? And that will make the parrot come?
Or maybe I'll do rah, rah.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because parrots go like that.
Oh yeah.
Why?
Why?
Make it sound like that?
Go ahead.
Wah,
Why do you want a parrot so bad, Gali?
wah, wah.
Because why?
Wah. Just because. Wah,
I don't
wah.
understand. Like earlier this morning, you didn't even know anything about parrots, and now, when you come home from school, you want a parrot. So what changed? What made you think about wanting a parrot?
That girl that has a parrot.
There's a girl at your school that has a parrot.
And it was her mom. It was her grandma's or mom. It's her grandma's.
What did the parrot have a name?
I don't know. He had a name, but I don't know if it was a he or she.
Oh yeah. So, what else do you want to do with the parrot?
I'm telling you, I want to train him, give him food, and if we buy a bed, and if we buy
A
food
bed?
today.
You're gonna buy a parrot bed?
Yes.
What's a parrot bed look like?
Parrots sleep on sticks.
Oh yeah, like in a cage.
Do parrots sleep on sticks?
I don't know.
Daddy, I want to tell you
Like in a
something
cage on a
now.
perch?
Daddy, I want to tell you something now.
Okay.
I don't want spicy chips, and I want... No! You want a parrot? No! Lil, do you want a parrot? No! No! Lil, do you want a parrot?
Have you thought of a name?
My parrot's name?
Mm-hmm.
Can we go out?
As soon as Gali tells me what she would name a parrot if she had one.
Yellow.
You'd name the parrot Yellow.
I'm gonna name my purple. I'm gonna name her orange, purple, and black.
Orange, purple, and black, the parrot.
Like orange, purple, and black.
Okay.